Hello guys, uh, today's is our new software, Blender software. In this software, how to create the 3D modeling of a terrain. So in this software, we will be trying to create it. Like for example, you can see in this picture how to create this 3D animation in the Blender software. So firstly, we will be looking the overview of the Blender software. This is almost four windows which are open in the Blender software. One is this one when you create the animation. One is this one in which different like modifiers you can edit, and one is this for you can how many work you are done, so it will be visible tick mark or save as. So this is the another window, and this is the main window in which 80% work you can done it. So this green line and this here red line is basically the x and y axis. You can also if you uncheck this, so it will be, but it will be important because you can move the object from axis and y axis. uh, as there is also a z axis. When you move the object from z axis, this also present, but mostly we can of the z axis. So this is the different. If you are just done this object setting, so you can go to this. In this this is for the texturing and for the coloring. This is for, like for example, if you move like this in this, how you to move this in this. So you can press the alt and shift and move like this in this, and press also left mouse button. And whenever you press the middle of the cursor of the mouse and just move like this in this, you can move into 2D and 3D. This is the X-ray mode. When you go to in X-ray mode, uh, and this is for the zoom in zoom. You can also done from your mouse, but it can also be done from this. This is for camera, this is for handshake. You can also done from this side and also done from your mouse cursor. uh, Firstly, when you go to this object mode, for example, if I go to the add mode, and this is the different object. For example, if you are for add the monkey, or you can also add your cube, plane, circular. Like this is plane, and this is the cube, and this is the UV sphere. If I click the G on keyboard, so it will be removed and moved like this in this in both X, Y, and Z axis. This for the cube, you can move like this. You can also check from this window to on and off, to on and off. This is the UV sphere. You can move on and off. This is the for G, like move this, and you can move like this. So this is the different energy. You can work on it. If I just go like this and add and shade smooth, so it will be look like this. So shade smooth means it will be remove the this curvature path and look like realistic. This is the another like cone. You can also add the cone. So this is the different objects which you can play and make the 3D animation. If I like click A, it will be select all and delete it. So for example, if I add one object cube and like click the G, so it will be move like this. But whenever I click the G and also X, so it only move in X is Y. But if I click G and Y, so it only move in Y axis. If I click G and Z, so it only move up and down. So you can move like this accurately. This is the different like if I click the number plate, so it is left side will be look like this, front side and top side and back side and right side. So it's different. You can view from by clicking the numpad and selecting the different position. Okay, so this is the also you can if I click this, you can move in green in or axis, and this is the y axis and this is the for z axis. Okay, so and the another thing which yes, If I for example, if I edit something, so you can move to the object mode or edit mode. You can edit something. uh, if you are directly tab button in your keyboard, so it will be directly go. For example, if I go to this vertex and I click G, so it will be moved like this, and by right click, so it will be come back to their original position. And by this is the vertex. For example, if you are just move like this vertex, so and this is the face shape. If you are just adding your face, so it will be remove this. Or if you are click on object mode and then go to the edit mode, this edit mode, and select all the vertices and right click and subdivide, so it will be subdivided. And every face you can manage your you can be edit. So this thing which you can do it in the Blender software. So the another thing, for example, if you are just enlarge the size in, or small in the size, so you can click S, so it will be large and small in size. Okay, and if you are just click the R, so you can rotate any direction. If you click R and 90, so it will be create 90-degree rotation. But I like a little bit changes. So if I control Z, so it will be like this. If I click R and 90, so it will be create 90-degree. So this is the main menu, and you can do like this and this. Now we directly go to the jump to the how to make the 3D model of the surface or terrain. So by firstly you can mostly on this GIS folder, uh, when you open it, it will be firstly not appear, but you can go your desktop and check this this software, this website, and click code and download the zip file. Whenever you can download the zip file, so you can then go to the file and no, go to the edit, go to the preference, and go to the add-ons, and this click and install. Whenever you download it, so it will be visible this, and you can click and install from the desktop. So by doing this, you can visible your GIS. But I don't know why they are not working, but mostly we can import the geotef file from USGC, and you can drag on it. So you can also be visit to the USGC, let a minute, US for the dem file downloaded. So you can visit this and you can download the dem. You can visit this software, but now you can also say this is the login. And you can, for example, if I click this one, this and this, and go to the data set and go to the digital elevation, go to the SRT, go to this click and go to results, and they will load result. And by clicking this, you can download it, this dem file. And this, you know, it is geotef file, so whenever you can download it, so it will be visible to the this and imported, and this geotef you can drag it. And now we will be process in the next video how to process this dem file and to do 3D modeling. So we will be see in next video.